You know, sometimes art lessons can be wonderfully simple and easily achievable, and I'm going to show you one inspired by Paul Klee and his painting, Castle and Sun.
And it just takes a few steps that are really easy to teach. Step 1. Draw a circle on your paper. You can do this freehand, but I like to draw around something circular to help. Right, step 2, you're going to draw 10 rectangular shapes of different sizes on your paper, and you'll want them to overlap, which will create more rectangular shapes. For step 3, you're going to draw a triangle on any of the flat tops of the rectangular shapes. And for step 4, you add colour. You can use pencils, pens, pastels, whatever you like. However, if you really want your pictures to look that next level great, you need to use a technique called the wax resist method, which is so easy but looks brilliant and can be done like this.
It's the same drawing as before, but with thicker paper, which we will tape down. Pressing the tape against your clothes will help stop the tape ripping your paper when you remove it later. Colour the shapes with wax crayons, leaving the background empty. Use watercolour paint to apply a wash of colour over the whole of your picture. The paint will fill the gaps and will be resisted by the wax, allowing the vibrant colour to shine through in contrast to the matte painted background.
It's as easy as that. Right, enjoy making it, enjoy teaching it.